Assalamu alaikum. In the last video, we actually beat the zero level or level zero of a bandit game. So let's move on to the next level. So the challenge for this level is to find the password for the next level. Actually, we do need to log into the user bandit one using SSH, and the password will be provided. Actually, is in this. Server we are actually logged in. So here, as you can see, I'm in bandit 0. I have to move into bandit 1. So for that, I actually have to find the password, and they said that the password is actually stored in a file called readme, located in the home directory. So here, if I type ls, which is actually list the uh, for file and folders in the directory. So if I type ls, it will show me that there is a file called readme, as they said in here that there is a readme file. So let me read it. So for that, I'm gonna use cat readme. So the thing is, you have to write cat and then followed by the file name you want to read. So this way, you actually will be able to see the file content. So if I hit enter, here you can see the password. Okay, so here is the password. So I have to log into bandit 1. So for that reason, I'm gonna uh, quit. I'm gonna log out from this from bandit 0. So this is why I'm typing exit. So here I have logged out. Now I have to log into bandit 1, and for that purpose it is exactly the same what I typed in bandit for bandit 0. So ssh bandit 1 at the rate bandit dot labs dot over the wire dot org minus p triple two zero. So this is the port triple two zero, and here is the username bandit one, and the host name is bandit dot labs dot over the wire dot org. So if I hit enter here, so it's asking for the password. So we already have the password. Let me copy it and paste it here. I pasted the password and now hit enter. Okay, so we are in bandit 1, as you can see. Let me clear the screen first. So here it says bandit 1. That means our level goal is complete. So that's it for this video. We'll move on the next level in the next video. Thank you.